Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're showing you how to fix touch issues after installing a screen protector on Samsung Galaxy A27. First of all, if there are any bubbles under your screen protector, try squeezing them out. You can use a credit card to swipe across the screen protector to remove the bubbles. Those may prevent your screen from working properly. If there are no bubbles or if you can't remove them, you should try to reapply your screen protector. Or if you have just applied it, you can very gently lift it at a corner closest to the bubble. Then try gluing it on again. Make sure no dust comes in. And also, bubbles are often created because there's a dust particle, so you may want to remove it very slightly. Remove that dust particle that's on the screen between the screen and the screen protector, and then put it back on. But if that didn't help, then you probably just have a thick screen protector, which you can fix by going to Settings, going to Display in the Settings, and then you can find Touch Sensitivity. When you enable it, then it will increase the sensitivity of touch on your screen. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.